Are you tired of sending messages on WhatsApp and getting no response? Are you wondering if someone has blocked you? You're not alone. I'll show you 3 ways to know for sure if you've been blocked, and a bonus, definitive trick that will settle the question once and for all. Method number 1, the single checkmark. This is the most common clue. Open a chat with the person you suspect has blocked you and send them a message. If you see a single gray checkmark, it means your message has been sent from your phone, but it hasn't been delivered to the recipient's phone. If that single checkmark never turns into a double checkmark, it's a strong indication that you've been blocked. The missing profile picture. Next, tap on the contact's name at the very top of your chat. If the profile picture is gone, and has been replaced with the default gray profile icon, that's another big sign. When someone blocks you, their profile picture and last seen status disappear. Method number 3, the call that never connects. Try giving the person a call through WhatsApp. If the call just keeps ringing and never connects, that's another major red flag. If it rings endlessly, it's because the call isn't reaching their phone, which often happens when you've been blocked. The definitive test, the group chat trick. Ready for the final, most definitive test? This is the one that will give you a yes or no answer. Go to your WhatsApp home screen, tap on the new chat icon, select new group, add a few people to the group including the person you think has blocked you. After you select everyone, tap the arrow to proceed and create the group. Here's the key. If you can successfully create the group and the person you suspect of blocking you is added, you are not blocked. However, if a message pops up saying you can't add that contact to the group, then you can be sure that you've been blocked. This is because WhatsApp prevents you from adding a person who has blocked you to a group chat. Did you know you can add a back button to your iPhone? Check out this video to learn how.